Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design. Today is an auspicious day of Akshaya Tritiya. On this eve, I would quickly explore these three for Tritiya, jewelry 3D CAD designs. First and foremost, blank 3D model of a hexagonal gold ring is here. The OD of this ring is 24 mm, ID is 23 mm, width is 2.2 mm, hex width is 4.6 mm. There are 4 balls right at the top of the ring. The full detailed drawing of the ring with all dimensions in millimeters. 3 orthogonal views, isometric view and a trimetric view. Now ring has been applied with golden material and texture. Density of pure gold is 19,000 kg per meter cube. So the mass calculated is 1.24 grams. So finally the realistic rendered images. We do 2D and 3D trainings for students. Let's move on to the second one. Dumb solid model of a golden pendant for necklaces with round brilliant diamond is here. Exploded view of the diamond. Reference pics for round brilliant diamond. Detailed drawing of necklace pendant with all dimensions in millimeters. Now necklace pendant has been applied with gold and diamond materials. Density of gold and diamond is shown. The final mass is about 1.9 grams. So finally the realistic rendered images. Let's move on to the third one. Golden ring with amethyst gemstone, freshwater pearls and a brilliant diamond. The 3D model is already assigned with respective materials and textures. The final drawing with all dimensions in mm along with detailed exploded view. Ring ID is 17.8. Amethyst gemstone is a purple variety of quartz used in jewelries. Some reference pictures. Freshwater pearls are used in jewelries. Some reference pictures. And ultimately 3D realistic rendered images. I do 2D and 3D workshops for students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.